How to create a Temu seller account. So here's what we want to do. First, you want to go to the Temu website on a desktop or laptop, and then here we're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page, so just like that. And you want to find this section here for customer service, and we want to select contact us here under company info. So you will see all of these options. You want to select contact us. So once we have clicked on contact us, you can see their office here, or we can just select get help, so we need help here. And the message is going to be, I would like to become a Temu seller, just like that, and see what this comes up with. So you will just send this message and you can get in touch with a Temu representative, so customer support representative, and they can guide you through the process and whether or not you will be able to become a Temu seller. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.